Welcome back, my dear students. So today we are going to see with English textbook standard 7th solve question answers of the lesson the souvenir. Okay, so let us begin with first, that is meaning. Souvenir, a thing that is kept or bought as a reminder of something. Space, a vehicle in which people travel into space and back again. Captured, recorded. Panorama, a very wide view. Out of the world, here the expression has a dual meaning. It's not found on earth and also extraordinary. Abate, become less. Azure, bright blue. Exorbitantly, excessively. Orbiting, moving around another object, generally a star or a planet. Okay, now next we can see is continued meaning, measured, steady, firm. Sprint, run at full speed. Outset, beginning, start. Assured of, sure of. Jam-packed, extremely happy. Next is, guess the meaning of the following words. Exorbitantly, excessively. Precaution, step taken in advance to prevent something dangerous or unpleasant. Unauthorized, not having official permission or approval. Okay, write smaller and related word that you see within the word given below. Now see, here they have given the answers are given directly. Only 5 smaller words from each have been given. Students can form their own more words, means you can make your own word. Let us check out this word. Exorbitantly, exorbitant, orbit, boxer, brain, retain. Precaution, that is caution, auction, cause, sprain, stain. Unauthorized, authorize, author, horse, there, rise. Okay. Okay, next is write whether the following statements are right or wrong. Siley was traveling in space for the first time. Right. Many changes has occurred on the earth in 100 years before Siley's trip to the moon. Right. There were no old cities left on the earth. Wrong. Siley's mother didn't want her to go on the trip. Wrong. Next is think and answer. Here you can give your own answers too. In what time period is the story taking place? The story is taking place in the future, about 50 years from today. Where does Siley live? Siley lives on earth. What were the 2 important instructions? The instructions were to be extremely careful without roaming around outside the settlement, to buy souvenirs and articles only from the shop which were inside the dome-shaped settlement and not from the unauthorized shop outside the homes. Okay, that is house. Okay, next is guess the meaning of the following words. Repeatedly, enthusiastically. Here, repeatedly means again and again. Enthusiastically means excitedly. Next is question number 2. Write smaller and related words that you see within the words given below. Here, the answers are given directly, but the students can form their own words. That is, here the words has been made repeatedly. From this word, we made repeated, repeat, eatery, deeply, drap. Next is enthusiastically, enthusiastic, enthusiast, static, silently, silent. Okay. Next is question number 3. Say whether the statements are right or wrong. There were no human settlement on the moon. Wrong. Siley made a hasty purchase. Right. Siley didn't understand the mistake she had made. Wrong. Next is, imagine you are landing on a moon. What would be your feeling? I would be terribly thrilled and excited. I will look all around me so that I could see every single thing clearly. If I had a camera, I will click photographs to show my family and friends back home. I will also visit every possible place and bring back souvenirs. Such a good imagination and answer. Next is, what will be the overall effect of having no atmosphere? The atmosphere contains oxygen, which is essential for life. If there was no atmosphere, there will be no oxygen, and life as we know it will not exist. There would be no protection for the earth. Harmful radiation from the sun will come. The ocean will evaporate due to extreme heat. The day temperature will be extremely high and the night temperature would be extremely low. All the various objects moving in the space will hit the earth. Okay, so like this you can give. Next is make a collection of collective noun. Okay, everybody knows collective noun is what? A group of things are called collective noun. A class of student, a herd of cattle, a bunch of grapes, a heap of stone, a library of books, a bunch of keys, a team of players, a pack of cards, a crowd of people, a flight of birds, a pile of books, a swarm of bees, a flock of sheep, a pride of lions, a litter of puppies, an army of soldiers, a band of robbers, a bouquet of flowers, a bundle of sticks, a pack of wolves, a shoal of fish, a cluster of stars, a gaggle of geese, a panel of judges, a crew of sailors, a fleet of ships, a brood of chickens. Okay, let us start with the next one, that is think and answer. What was the special about sky watch on the moon? On the earth, the stars were seen rarely and only with very faintly. But in the moon sky, the stars shone dazzling bright. The most attractive view was that the disk of the earth. In the moon sky, the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon in the earth's sky. It was also 70 times brighter. The earth light fell on the moon, making the view enchanting. Next is, what does it tells you about the condition on the earth at that time? It tells us that the level had become so high that it was usually foggy on the earth and the stars were seen rarely and only very faintly. What could be the reason behind the unique setting arrangement? As the gravitational force on the moon is 1/6 that of earth, the children will found difficult to sit on chair, means that was artificial chairs. Okay, so you can give your own answers too. Next is, use the detail given in the story and your imagination and prepare a timetable for the trip to the moon. Here is the timetable for the trip to the moon, that is day 1, day 2, day 3. Okay, see the timings which has been mentioned: 7:30 to 10:30, 10:30 to 2 p.m., 2 to 3:30 p.m., 3:30 to 6:30 p.m., 6:30 to 8 o'clock, 8 to 10 o'clock. Okay, like this the divisions has been made according to the timetable. We have put the things in the list. Okay, see, day 1 is arrival, settling down. Day 2 is exploring nearby surrounding, and day 3 is trip to the historical monument. So these are the 3 days mentioned. According to that we can give the timetable. Next is, imagine you are Siley. Write your diary for every day of your trip to the moon, and for the day you gave the earring to your mother. So like this way, as we have prepared the timetable, the same we can prepare over here: day 1, day 2, day 3. Okay, so according to this, all the days it has been prepared. First one is arrived, second one is explored area near camp, third one is spent morning visiting the place where Neil Armstrong landed so many years ago. It was the oldest place in the history of the man on the moon. Just wonderful things happened in it. So it was an amazing experience which we have captured in all 3 days. Okay, hope you like my video, children.